I, boys, have never personally tried a burnout or spinning these tires in this 12-valve Cummins King Ranch on pavement. But today, thanks to power-driven diesel, we finally could try and make that happen. What are you scared of?
Nothing. I'm just looking at making sure there's no cars going.
No, God!
Hi, Michael.
Nein, Gott!
Oh, I broke my U-joint. Oh, fuck. What?
At least 3/4 of your life to go. That's 3 more lifetimes to you. So don't blow it. Don't do drugs. If you're doing it, stop it. Get some help.
But yes, boys, Matthew Page will be accepting our orange FCK Light Bars hat. And next episode, after this one, of course, where we're tuning our AFC Live for our built 12-valve Cummins King Ranch. Next episode, we will be installing 8 FCK rock lights on this here truck. And then there will be a giveaway to go along with that, sponsored by FCK Light Bars, of course. So that's going to be more of a how-to, but Matthew Page, I hope you enjoy your hat, and thank you for your comment, and thank you for all your support. We will be shipping this out to you, and of course, I hope you enjoy the video. Bert, back here again with another episode for you. I hope you're enjoying all the content that we have going on. We're kind of, you know, all over the place like usual, but trying to get our stuff out there for you, trying to get stuff done and be productive for you. Our website is live, bertbuildshop.com. The link is in the description, so you guys can buy your Bert Builds bees, your Instagram decals, and other merchandise. We have shirts and hats up there. And I'd like to happily announce the winner of our orange FCK Light Bars hat giveaway. But yes, this orange hat, boys, will be shipped out to our Bert Builds homie, Matthew Page.
Swear
So we
I
have the
won't
messages
forget
right here.
this. Why do I regret this? In my mind,
That will be
reckless.
sent
Thoughts
out
are
to Matt.
feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless. Anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open. I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion. Rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking. Reopen. The scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Oh, I broke my U-joint. Oh, fuck. What? Well, we blew the drive shaft out of the Cummins, boys. She's completely blown up. But we do have the Starlight headliner that blows every fuse in the entire truck. Look at that, plugs in too. Not even wired to a switch. It's like you're plugging in a 1990s car ham radio. But the ceiling lights up now. Wow.
Wow.
Isn't that so cool? My hands are blackened. How was this truck driving?
It's driving pretty good.
Really? This is fucked up, dude. I'm gonna have to take the drive shaft out of this now. So this is still gonna spin too.
This is like...
Hold on.
What is that gonna do? That's just gonna spin like crazy.
I don't know, man. We're gonna have to drive back to my grandpa's house and then come back here, I think. Let's see if we can park it at Answer's Fitness or something.
How was that parking lot?
I don't understand how it blew up right here. What?
How was that lot right there?
And that broke a U-joint. How does that break a U-joint? Dude, the spot I welded and that people shit on didn't even break. How does my U... It's just gonna be a two-wheel drive truck now, actually. We're just gonna take the drive shaft out and it's only gonna be a front-wheel drive truck.
I thought we shouldn't go above 40.
I don't know, but it's driving fine. You must have fixed it.
What?
I'm not kidding. You know how there's that popping when you turn the wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah. You probably popped it back into place. Now we're gonna hit a bump and it will pop back out. Look at this radio too. Brings you right back to 2008. Look at those graphics. Dude, my fucking truck. Did I leave the key in? No, you're fucking me again.
Yes. Just in case the death wall decides to come back.
I don't know. Did you take the wheels off this truck or something?
What do you mean?
Dude, this thing's driving insanely good now. Can you even see me? The gas tank's in the way. You gotta come from the other wheel. You can stand up if you were on the other side of the truck. Oh, it came out. That's why we get the half-inch impact. It came out. Look at that. The bungee cable was holding it in while I drove it here. This doesn't even look that fucked up. Just blew that out. Look at that. Don't touch that with your hands, whatever you do. Here we go, first start of the day. Turn the music off so we don't get copyrighted here. Seems to be idling good. We do have brakes. That's the one thing we do have. Safety. No, safety is our middle name. You don't need heat for safety.
My toes are gonna fall off.
See, dude, this is oh, he needs his seatbelt. Oh.
This is one other thing.
Oh.
Hopefully we don't blow up.
Yeah, I know. I don't even know how much money I got. Look how expensive gas is. Thanks, Biden.
How do you not know how much money you got?
Because I got those scratch tickets. Because we're trying to hit the lotto, boys. Because we need money. We got to destroy all the trucks, and that's expensive. building is expensive, but destroying is even more expensive. It's kind of weird how we've come to the days where that's a flex, huh? But the internet wants what it wants. Just like the government will take your money for its gas. Look at this. Look at this prices. Where's the I did that sticker with the Joe Biden thing? I did that. Alright, so we should be good on fuel now. Look at the fast down there. She's drinking right up. She's even got the void warranty band on there. You see this? See that? Brand new. See that tag? Brand new. Look at those filters. Brand new. It's the most reliable truck. Oh, oh my God. We might have a couple flat tires back there. You might be calling your dad. I don't know how to patch tires.
Where's the truck? Is that your grandpa's?
Yeah. But he works in that one. Oh! Hold on. Let's slow down a little. Let's see, what is that shape? I think my drive shaft is slightly out of line in that. Oh, we have our lucky scratch tickets too. We gotta make sure we do these on video. See, then the turbo kicks in, you lose all the fuel. It only likes to roll when you're like low gearing. See, then the turbo kicks in, you lose all the fuel. It only likes to roll when you're like low gearing. So me and Sean are out right now. He's behind me in the 6'4", cruising.
Hi, Michael. Nine gods!